How to tell time in English. Reading, hours. 12. 12 o'clock. 1. 1 o'clock. 2. 2 o'clock. 3. 3 o'clock. Reading, minutes. Exact minutes. 3:15. Quarter past. Quarter past 3. Half past. Half past 3. Quarter to. Quarter to 4. Time expressions past and to. Minutes. 1. 30 minutes. Use past. 2. 10. 10 past 2. 4. 25. 25 past 4. Minutes. 31. 59 minutes. Use 2. 2. 35. 25 to 3. 4. 50. 10 to 5. Special time expressions. 15 minutes. Quarter. 30 minutes. Half. 45 minutes. Quarter to. Next hour.